All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to convert a clipping path into a selection. So we're going to go up here to Window, and we're going to pull down to Paths to get our Paths palette. And you'll see the clipping path here. You can select it, and you see that little blue line that popped up there. So easy one. This is the selection right here, the dotted line. So it shows you what they call marching ants, or the selection. I'm going to hit Command D and deselect it, and then you can also drop it on there like that. Also Command D. Command D is this deselect right here. It's not highlighted right now, but and the third way is I'm going to hold Command and then go up here. It could be Control on Windows and click. So Control Command click on the path, and then you also have the selection. Now you can copy, paste, and you've got your layer. So hopefully that did help. Let me know in the comments. Hit like. Thanks.